Alright, since I've never actually really done a garage walkthrough, I figure I would finally get to that and just introduce you guys to what I have going on in here. Here is my super sexy G8 GXP on a VMS Racing drag pack, and my 2023 Harley Sportster S, but that's kind of getting off track. This is a pretty much just a maybe stall and a half, car and a half stall garage. I don't own this place, so pretty much anything I've done in here can be removed pretty easily for when I relocate and buy a house. But I'm just renting this place. I've been renting for 4.5 years, so. Well, we start over here. On my shelves here, we've got a bunch of miscellaneous car parts and a work light up here. All kinds of miscellaneous car parts. Definitely want to organize these two top shelves. But here is a good majority of all my detailing products and a water bottle. Don't need that there, but pretty much all detailing stuff up here. I've also got some in the trunk of the G8. Here we've got some miscellaneous like fluids, grill cleaner on the far end. We got some brake fluid, some chamois for drying cars and stuff, goop to clean my hands, and some other random stuff, some towels. We got some shop towels and some nitro gloves back there. And then we got some more, these are pretty much for washing cars is what this stuff is down here. Plus we got a very good power strip back here. Please excuse the wiring. I know it's kind of a haywire mess, but the size of the wires that are powering everything is more than sufficient, and nothing is crossing, like shorting out or anything. So, but I can definitely just work on getting these all looking nice, because I really didn't spend any time. I just kind of tossed the wires up there. But the setup's been like that for more than 3 years, so not have any issues. On my lights up here, these are all LED shop lights, all of them, including that one in the center here. That's LED. All these lights are LED, so they're not really drawing any power. We're all good there. I'm gonna add one more right here. Back up here, we got a bunch of bolts and nails and nuts and just miscellaneous stuff. Not really labeled. I mean, some of these are, but yeah, that's all that is there. We got my spacers for my stock wheels, some propane, a box of just random nuts and bolts and stuff. Down here, we got my shop vac. We got my Harbor Freight jack stands, some kitty litter for cleaning up oil spills and coolant and stuff like that. Gotta have that. We got a shelf here that I still have to put on the wall somewhere. We got a toolbox down here full of some other tools, heat guns, hammers, stuff like that, drills. Old used oil back here. And then we got some buckets full of random stuff. Battery tender. Like I said, I'm gonna spend some time organizing, so don't jump on the hate wagon. We got my stock G8 GXP wheels here. Boy, do they look good though. Tires still look new. Time for some burnouts. Back here we got my Mr. Heater, propane powered. This thing is pretty. This thing will heat up the garage pretty sufficiently in about 10-15 minutes in a cold winter day. So this is empty, but it's it'll hold about 6 gallons. I use it just for hauling E85 for the G8 or the Grand Prix when it actually does drive. And back here we got my Harbor Freight toolbox. Nothing too fancy, but definitely an upgrade from my old one. I kind of organized and we'll go through. Oh, so I'm missing some ratchets because the rest of them are in the tool bag in my car because I was out of town and I always bring my tools with me. But yeah, we got all kinds of tools in here. Got a bunch of miscellaneous fluids and stuff down here, and all kinds of other miscellaneous stuff in this other drawer. Got my 2-ton Harbor Freight jack and my lawnmower, of course, and pressure washer. And then my TV, which I recently added for entertainment purposes. Nothing fancy, but does the job. Oh yeah, we got my little portable work light back there on the wall. And a power strip back there. But overall, pretty decent for what I need. Definitely wish I had a bigger garage for my Grand Prix, but this car I actually do drive, so I keep it inside to keep it clean. Once I actually do have the Grand Prix running and driving, it's going to be hard to decide what to put in the garage, you know. I might just have to buy a portable, like a portable garage, like a pop-up, and just keep it outside under that. But yeah, this is my garage. Does the job. I got it nice and lit up pretty well. But once I actually start getting like even more tools, or even like maybe a bigger toolbox, or even add a cherry picker so I can actually pull motors out, which hopefully I don't have to do with this, but I'm sure it will at some point. This garage ain't gonna be good enough. I'm gonna start running out of space real quick. So yeah, there's my garage. Thanks for tuning in. I'll post updates. I'm not really doing too much other than organizing this stuff and adding a light over there. But definitely enjoy being out here. So until next time, have a good one.